Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has supported me throughout this journey. We really appreciate it. I mean, every like, every comment, it just shows that you guys are supportive, and it just shows that we're building a community over here, and I really appreciate it. And this journey has not been easy, but it has been fun. I will say that. We're really close. But I just wanted to say that before we start the video. And I also wanted to give a shout out to God, because without him, none of this would be possible, okay? Every day that we wake up, we thank God for everything that we are blessed with. This is hard work. Every day we go to work, we work hard for everything that we have, and we just thank God for every blessing that we have. We thank God for our health, our strength, and we just want to thank you guys for being here with us once again. But right now, I'm just showing you guys the previous updates of the house before we had drywall, and then we got drywall, and now I'm showing you the pantry and the sliding door. But our next step, when we will give you a tour inside of the house, is when we'll do the blue tape walkthrough. I can't wait to do that video for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into this video, boo. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Neek here, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a sit down video. As you can see, I'm sitting down about the closing costs on our new construction home. Disclaimer, I'm not a real estate agent. Just give you insights on the closing costs that you may or may not be aware of. And plus, this video was highly requested by you guys. And before we get into this video, I am located in Michigan, and honestly, it doesn't matter how much my house is, how much the next person's house is. Your closing costs really just depends on the pricing of your house. You could be living next door to somebody and your closing costs would be different from theirs. So it doesn't matter how much mine is, doesn't matter, you know, what builder I'm using. Is just to let you guys know that everybody's closing costs will be different. Nobody's is the same, because it's different variables you have to put into the equation. Like, it's taxes, the state you're in, the city you're in. It's just all different variables that you have to put into place. So just take these prices that I'm about to give you like a grain of salt. It's just to give you a ballpark range, you know, a little bit of insight. So let's go ahead and get into it, boo. Now, before you even get to the closing cost step, you definitely have to go ahead and start with your down payment before you even start building the house. I'm just throwing that out there just in case you know that your down payment and your closing cost is two separate things, okay? So you have to save up for both of those. You can always try to find a first-time home buying program that's out in your city or state or whatever. I don't know, you have to look it up near you, maybe Google it, you know, put them fingers to work, Google near me first-time home buyer grant or something like that. Or you can always just apply for FHA loan if your credit is good. Now, let me just say, when it comes to closing costs and all of that, they will be in your whole business, okay? Like, if you had a lemonade stand when you was in 3rd grade, they're gonna wanna know about it, okay? So just be aware of that. These builders and these companies will get all of your business when it comes down to closing costs. So just make sure you have your everything all together. I'm just going to read off of this little transcript they gave us, a little breakdown of what the closing costs will be. So the first fee that they are charging for is the processing fee, which is $5.95. Now, I'm not going to really go into depth about what the fees is, because, child, I mean, you got to ask them. I don't know why they charge for all this stuff for real. Second fee is an underwriting fee, which is $9.95. Your appraisal fee will be $5.25. Appraisal is like, you know, well, you should know what appraisal is. If you don't know, basically it's how much your house is worth. They come out and check and see. You are also going to have to do the title for the house, and that for a closing fee is $7.75. There's also a lender's title insurance, which is $7.84. A total loan cost, which is $7,734. Taxes and other government fees is $2,168. They have homeowners insurance premium for 12 months, which is $1,200. Prepaid $1,627. Interest, which is $1,940 per day for 22 days, which is $427. That has to do with the property taxes. yeah, a whole bunch of, you know. Another fee is the builder transaction fee, which is $425. We have a HOA fee because we are building through a company is $150. For a builder transaction fee is $425. They have another section where it says in additional charges, which is $4,610. They have lender's credits, which is saying $19,289, which I don't really understand that part. Oh, it says total closing costs is $19,289. All of that all together is $13,240. So that's not too bad, but it's kind of high what I've been seeing on YouTube. I've been looking up stuff like how much is closing costs. So that's really why I wanted to do this video as well, because I really didn't see a lot of people giving a breakdown of prices. So I just thought, let me go ahead and put up a video of the breakdown of the prices. Not everybody's prices is going to be different, like I said, but this just give you a, you know, a range, a little bit of insight. You know, some people just want to know certain prices of certain stuff just in case, you know. I don't know, but like I said, altogether that's $13,240. So our closing costs will be that much. That's pretty much is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Your mortgage will also have your taxes, you know, your monthly taxes included. So it may seem like a lot for the mortgage, but your taxes is included, you know, monthly, which you should know. But if you didn't know, now you know. But anyway, that's pretty much it, y'all. To be honest, like, if you want me to do a video on where I basically let you guys know some other ways you could get around you doing your closing costs, have to pay for all your closing costs, just let me know. Like this video. Even if this video was helpful or informative, let me know. Give this video a like. Pretty much everything, guys. That's the transcripts that I just read over to you guys. So we're excited. We're supposed to still be closing end of December. Hopefully that all still works out. I'm supposed to be talking to my builder or the builder on Monday. Like I said, we have to fill out some last minute paperwork. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I just want to do a sit down video, like I said, just to let you guys know a couple of prices, just throw a couple of prices out there so you may get a little insight on it. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe as well so you can stay up to date with all the home update videos. I will be starting to do moving vlogs and other type of videos that have to do with home decor, shopping, everything that has to do with home. I'm not the home network though, but you can come on over. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for chilling with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.